Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy your Airtel data for as low as 233 naira. So if you are interested in buying cheap data just like this, then I'll recommend that you stick to the end of this video, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step process on how you can buy this cheap data for your mobile phone, your iPhone or your desktop computer. So let's get right into the video.
So right here on my screen, and in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step process on how you can buy your Airtel data using your mobile phone, your desktop computer or your laptop, any device that can connect the internet. So the first step we need to take is to visit the recharge app website, and to do that all you just need to do is locate the links at the comment section or in the video description. But you can also visit our channel page and you can see we have our links over here, and if you click on the more links you go to the about page. So we're on the about page and you can see that we have our website link and we also have our application link. So whichever platform you prefer, you can use both our website or our app and you get the same result. So I'm going to visit our website. We're right here on our website, and the next thing we need to do is to register on the recharge app platform for those who don't have an account. But if you do have an account, you can just click on the login button, and if you want to install the application you can click on the install app. So I'm going to register a new account so I can show you from scratch on how you can buy your Airtel data for a cheap price on the recharge app. So I'm going to click on the register button and I'm going to be taken to this page, which is the register page. And as you can see, we have boxes to fill our information in. Like, you need to fill your first name and your last name over here. You need to fill your email, your phone number. If you have a referral code, you can insert it here. You are going to need to answer this question over here and then create your password for this account. So I'm going to put all this, and then once I'm done I'm going to click on the register, like create an account. So I'm done filling my information on the recharge app registration page, and I'm going to click on the register account. After registering my account, I'm taken to the login page, and as you can see we are told that our registration is successful and we should log in now. So I'm going to insert my email and my password, and I'm going to click on the login button. So the first thing you'll see is the new notification, and I recommend that you read this message, and then once you have read it and you understand the message, you can click on the exit button and then you will see your set transaction pin. Now this transaction pin is important because you need to input your transaction pin on every transaction that you make on the recharge app, and it's also a security pin for preventing other people from using your account to buy and purchase services on the recharge app without your permission. So I recommend that you create your transaction pin because you can't do anything without it on the recharge app platform. And once I've created my transaction pin, I'm going to click on the set pin button, and then I'm going to confirm my transaction pin by inserting it here and click on proceed. So we are done with creating our recharge app account. Now the next thing we need to do is to fund our wallet on the recharge app platform, and to do that you just need to click on the fund wallet button over here, and once you click on it you'll be taken to this page, or this page will pop up, and then you see the instructions and then you see your automatic funding account. But take note that there is no account for you to deposit your funds into. So what you need to do is to click here to generate your bank account. So once I click on it, account will be created automatically, and then you go back to the fund wallet button, and as you can see our account has been created. You should know that this is an automatic funding account, which means that if you deposit funds into this wallet you will get your money credited on your wallet instantly. And also note that this account is an account that is dedicated for you and only you on the recharge app platform. That means no one else has that account. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to go to my local bank app and I'm going to transfer money into this account to fund my recharge app wallet. So I have funded my recharge app wallet with 1000 naira, and you should note that there is a 15 naira charge when you deposit funds into this wallet. I'm going to close this So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to refresh. Okay, as you can see, you have seen your wallet has been funded. I'm going to close the notification over here. So as you can see, the notice that was sent to me by the application is you have successfully funded your account with 950 naira. Your old balance was 0 and now your new balance is 950. Like I told you, I deposited 1000 naira into this app and I was credited 950 because the charge is 15 naira. So I'm going to click on the OK. So we have created our account on the recharge app platform. We have funded our wallet on our account. Now the next step for us to do is to buy our data, and to do that, all you just need to do is to click on the buy data button. So once you click on it, you are going to be taken to this page and you are going to be asked to choose your service. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to select the Airtel CG over here because we are going to buy Airtel data on this platform. Now I'm going to click on the Airtel CG and then the available plans will open up. Here are the Airtel data plans. For 500 MB you can buy it for 122 naira, and for 1 gig you can buy it for 233 naira. So you can buy up to 20 gigabytes, which is at 4664 naira. You should note that all these data plans last for 1 month, and for this tutorial I'm going to just select the Airtel's 1 gig data plan, and then I'm going to input the phone number that I'm going to buy this data for. So note that this phone number is going to be blurred. So I've inserted my phone number. I'm going to put my transaction pin. If you notice, a few minutes ago we created our transaction pin. Now this is where that transaction pin is going to be used. So I told you before you make any transaction you need to input your transaction pin for security reasons. So I'm going to insert my transaction pin and I'm going to click on the buy now button. A notification is going to pop up and I'm going to be asked if I am sure to purchase Airtel CG on this transaction. I'm going to click on the OK button. You can see my transaction was successful. I'm going to click on the OK button and I got value for my transaction. So you can see the successful transaction over here on the screen. So if you got value on this video, don't forget to give us a like on this video and drop a comment on the comment section if you have any questions or if you have any video you want us to create for the recharge app platform, and subscribe to our channel, and I hope to see you in my next video.